And we're going to be doing 4 of these today with the same colors and a flip. So this is a 20 by 20 and it takes about 15 ounces of paint. So this is 18 ounces. So I'll get the color up to about here and then we'll flip it. And then I think I'll just release it like this instead of one like that. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And we have Payne's Gray. No, that's not Payne's Gray. This is Payne's Gray. This is a combination of a bright blue and metallic black to make it like this navy, really super dark blue. I have that. And we have a teal color, and I'll put all of the actual colors. Actually, I'll grab them here. So that is this basic Aqua. I better put my glasses on or I'm not going to be able to see the actual colors. It's bright Aqua. Then this one right here is metallic blue. And that's this one right here. Let's see where it go. This metallic blue right here. And then this one right here is Cobalt blue metallic. And it's making a mound. So it's not thick, but it's not thin. And that Cobalt blue is this right there. Then this one right here is Lake Blue. Again, making the mound. Then this one right here is, so the one that I said the metallic blue is not. It's this turquoise green. That's that one. This is the metallic blue. So that's incorrect on that one. Then we've got gold, and that's the Acrylic Master's Touch gold. This is Payne's Gray. That's also Master Touch. This one's right here is Artist Loft Silver. That one's right here. And then this one right here was a metallic, it's called Satin Finish, let's see, metallic paints, but it's a pewter, so it's a darker silver. And I went ahead, since I hardly had any left, I just went ahead and just put it inside of that. And then this right here is a mixture of the liquid acrylic white, titanium white, but I put in there this Opal glitter medium gel, so that's in there. And then I did put this shift in this one here too. So this basic green, I put this shift color. It's kind of cool. It makes like that. So those are the colors that I've chosen today. And we'll get started here in just a few minutes. I'm going to pack this stuff up really fast and get going. Alright. I've got them in the order that I want to do them in there. And I've got to make sure I have enough for 4 of these, so I can only use 1/4 of what I have in here. I'll put the gold. Let's see. Gold here. Put the silver here. Put the dark into there. Pewter. This needs to go here. And we'll put the silver here. And then white there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all 4 of these, but I'm going to go in reverse order. So I'm going to start here, go there, then I'm going to start with this one and go this way and do all 4 of these for the 4 canvases. So